Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Not a very dramatic cold start this morning, but that is because the focus of the video is not on my car. As you can probably tell by the title and why you probably clicked, we are focusing on Evan's A6 today, the dual pulley Stage 2 A6. So same platform with the 3.0T as my S5 that is always featured in the videos, but a little bit different because it's got 4 doors and a couple more goodies as far as the tune and some upgrades. So we are on the way to the shop this morning and we're meeting Evan there. It is 34 degrees in Michigan, so a warm day relative to the week we've had. Hopefully some dry roads and some good content to film today. If you're watching the video and you look down below and you see that I'm not at 10,000 subscribers yet, help a brother out. Help me out, man. I'm so close. I can feel it. I can feel we're gonna get to 10K and I'm so grateful. Hope it's not too much to ask. I've been working really hard for the last couple of years to hit that 10K. So let's make it happen, would we? Ooh, gosh, speaking of Michigan roads. Quick intro today. Let's just go to the shop. Ladies and gents, already kind of did the intro earlier, but I wanted to introduce Evan, who you've probably seen in a few of the videos, owner of M22 Detailing and owner of this beautiful 2015 A6, which is just freshly tuned Stage 2 APR. Yep. APR Stage 2 with a dual pulley, an intake, and a couple exhaust mods, but we'll let that speak for us, I suppose. That's that pulls hard.
Yeah, it pulls pretty hard.
Same platform with the 3.0T as the S5 that you guys are used to seeing on the channel, but this car has 2 more doors and a couple more goodies.
Well, I bought it from Sean at Worldwide in March 2020, and he owned it for quite a while prior to that. And I bought it with the Eurodyne Stage 2 tune, and then I believe around like October 2020 we switched it over to APR, and it was just single pulley then. So we just completed the dual pulley setup also from APR. The APR heat exchanger, it's got an intake, exhaust, H&R springs, also a custom E85 tune. So it should be right around 500 horsepower right now. Did a little draggy run the other day with Logan's draggy and a 3.7 0 to 60, which I'm pretty happy with for a 4,300 pound car. So,
yeah, and I'm assuming that was on the tires that are on
yeah,
now.
It's on the winter tires, which actually probably helped because it was 25 or 30 degrees out. So if I was on the P0, so it wouldn't have gripped at all. So
right.
Snow tires actually help.
3.7 is fast.
Yeah,
so
I'm really happy with that number.
Yeah, anything under 4. I mean, when I broke into the 4s on my car, I hit like 3.93, I think 3.95, something like that. And that's just on Stage 1. So the upgrade from Stage 1 to Stage 2 is noticeable.
I bought this car Stage 2, but it was Stage 2 single pulley. With the Stage 2 dual pulley, you just feel a lot more power through the rev range. And we did bigger brakes.
Bigger brakes as well.
When it was single pulley Stage 2, I think we were running mid to low 4s. I think the best I ever did on Stage 2 was like a 4 or 4.1. So it significantly reduced the 0 to 60 time.
This is a 4-door sedan that can do 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. You have rallied this car. So when we went to Marquette and I took my car.
And this car was Eurodyne when I did that rally. And it still was a beast.
So he had the Eurodyne Stage 2 single pulley on this car. My car, again, the 3.0T, had the Stage 1 Eurodyne with no other mods. And they were pretty even just because of the weight difference. Now, obviously, I'm confident saying this car would probably slap me in a 62 13.0 mile an hour roll race. Yeah, after feeling that, I'm... yeah, this one's got me 100%. But no more rallies for this car because you're actually selling it, correct? Today.
Yeah, to one of my best buddies. So I'm really glad that the car is going to be in good hands, and it'll be around too. The only reason I'm selling it is because we're getting into something different that is undisclosed.
Something
to the
different.
channel currently.
Maybe do a little reveal when we get that car picked up. You're flying out and driving back.
Connecticut, and then we're flying to Connecticut and driving it back in like 9 days.
Wow.
So it's coming soon.
Coming soon and predicted to come on the rally.
Absolutely.
Cool. But back to the car. So a couple more goodies.
It's got the ECS tuning, carbon fiber rear diffuser, RS grill. It's wrapped Avery gloss black right now.
So some cosmetic mods.
S7 20-inch wheels, because this car
Yep.
came with 19-inch wheels that were not very attractive, and it was on the Rohanas, you know, for a while, but not anymore.
The
So
golden, kind of brushed golden bronze Rohanas.
So those wheels are pretty crazy. Those are going on a new car.
Yep.
They will not be going with this car.
Keeping those around. I always thought those would look good on a car with 2 doors. Can we kind of give a hint?
Yeah.
Just a little teaser. 2 doors coming next.
I was shopping for 2-door cars before this, and Sean talked me into buying this, and then I was shopping for 2-door cars, and I ended up in a Q5e. A total rip to that car. That was amazing. That's the only reason we're getting the new car, is because the Q5e is gone.
Yeah.
With only 9,000 miles on it.
Unfortunately, short-lived.
Thanks to the lady that blew through the red light and took the front end off. But if we weren't in that car, we might not be sitting here driving right now, because she was flying. And so that car saved us. So really thankful to be an Audi in that situation.
You can always get another car.
Yeah.
Fortunately, in your case, it's something a little quicker.
Yeah, it'll be a bit quicker. Custom trans tune now too.
Oh, that's right.
That I really like. It revs up to like 7,200, so it rips pretty hard. We were spinning on that one too.
Yeah. You can feel it when it goes to second gear. It pulls harder.
Yeah, it jumps.
Like big time.
Yeah.
And power to all 4 wheels, that
I think
that equates to a big difference.
With this new trans tune for the ZF8 speed on top of the dual pulley, it makes the dual pulley even crazier, because this new trans tune is incredible that Sean did.
Let's get out of the parking lot and kind of get our first impressions actually driving this thing. Maybe a little baby pull. Fun, man. I'm gonna get in trouble. This is gonna make me want to do dual pulley and maybe a little stage 2. Who knows? I don't really have a plan with my car. So the fun factor of a tuned car like this with an intake for me is just listening to all the sounds that it makes. Intake is one of those mods where it's like $350. You can install it yourself on these cars, and the difference it makes is quite substantial with the sound, with the cockpit noise, and the performance, you know, has a little upgrade. But even if we do a little pull, I'll downshift here. You can hear that. Just a little baby pull, and this car handles well too. So if you are looking for something with real sports car performance and daily drivability, I recommend the A6. But overall, if you're trying to get into an entry-level luxury sports sedan, this is one good way. Prices on all used cars at the time of me filming this are crazy right now. But right now you can get an A6 or S5 around the 15 to 25,000 mark, depending on mileage and whatnot. But with like $3,000 in mods, you can make this car 500 horsepower. So that's certainly one way you can get into a fast car that is also a grocery getter. But we're almost back at the shop, so we're gonna get out, park this thing, get some shots of the outside, wrap up, and get some exhaust clips. I know everybody likes to see the exhaust clips, so don't worry, I didn't forget. We're gonna get those here shortly as well. Big thanks to Evan again. His Instagram for M22 Detailing will be in the description, as well as the website to their detailing company. If you guys need any sort of detailing needs in the northern Michigan area, as well as paint correction, ceramic coating, things like that. If you guys are new, again, we are close to 10,000 subs. Let's get that going. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you have any other questions, I look at all my comments, so feel free to leave some in the comment section. But until next time, ladies and gents, we'll see ya.